Hey guys, how are you doing? Got some C++ code wars today. Very late stream because of technical difficulties. It's all good now. Starting at 6:30 instead of 6 is fine. I think I did send a message. I did. That reminds me, the server now has a tag. I don't know if it was worth paying the money for it, but we got it now. Still got wet hair. Okay, we're doing some of this. Streams have been indeed inconsistent recently. A lot of stuff's going on. Okay. We'll just start on an easy Code Wars challenge. Hey, Original. How are you, mate? Server tag you should advertise. Advertise? Why would I advertise? Or how even? Fuck me. Hola, hola. Hola, señorita. Che schifo stai facendo? Che cazzo stai facendo? Do you like Brave, Bowser? Yeah, Brave is chill. Brave is chill. I've used it. I like it. Just mention it exists so people maybe use it. Ah. That's actually decent, to be fair. Seems good enough. Okay, let's get back to this. Powers of 2. Complete the function that takes a non-negative integer n as input and returns a list of all the powers of 2 with the exponent range from 0 to n. It's kind of easy. Just like all problems in C++, I say something's easy, then it just obliterates me. Int n. Complete the function that takes a non-negative integer n as input and returns a list of all the powers of 2. Oh, well, in Python, that would be so easy. It would just be a bit of list comprehension, something like that. Hello, Bob. Did your parents finally let you go? Your parents finally let you have rights. Joking. Yeah. Three weeks? What's happening in 3 weeks? Well, you're going to what? School? University? Yeah, going to uni. Yeah. Which uni again? I don't think you ever told me which uni it was. Birmingham. Oh yeah, but yeah, you did tell me. Yeah, you did indeed. Equal to 1. Dun, 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 dun. Hold up. Base exponent. I severely doubt that. Yeah. Pow. Wagga. You're a wagga greeter. Well, you're a dog. You wag your tail just like back and forth. Oh, I will put music on this one because it's Did I call you a dog? You called yourself a dog, blood. You called yourself a wagga. You're no longer helping you take it. Wait, Cassandra, you called yourself a wagga. In British language, mate, a wagga is a dog. Who wags their tail? Who wags, actually? A dog. A dog. Right. Because of my recent scarcity, my recent fear for strikes, I will be putting on NCS. Let's see how cringe this is. Oh, shit. Straight off the bat. I don't think we're not going to have any good songs to play. This is going to be a boring ass stream. I'm joking, my streams are never boring. Oh. Wagga is an emo. Okay, buddy. That's so crazy, bro. Guys, 2016 air music, bro. Oh, yeah. Include CMAF. Let's do that. Put the reggae. Nah, the reggae is going to get my ass striked. We will do this until the cringe wears off. I can't put this on, bro. I can't put this on. I can't focus with that. Okay, I need some song suggestions. Please, guys, put it in the chat. Right. So that didn't help. 2 to the power of n. Maybe is it the other way around? N to the power of 2. Just give us some lo-fi. If you find me lo-fi, oh my lord. If you find lo-fi that is not copyright, send it to me. I'm just not really sure what's going on here. What's the instructions again? Complete the function that takes a non... By the way, this is an 8 Caillou problem, which is the easiest problem on the entire website, and I'm failing it. I think I should give up programming. Beethoven, yeah. And they're like a constant stream that's running, no copyright lo-fi. You might be right. I mean, I'm not sure how good the quality of music is. Professional stream setup, what can I say? Okay. Return a list of all the powers of 2 with the exponent range from 0 to n. At the beginning, I is 0, and we're going while I is less than n. Let's say n is 10. I starts with a 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then it's 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1. Oh, wait, I know I know I did wrong. I know I did wrong. I used the wrong variable. That should fix it. That really should fix it. This is a bit embarrassing. Using power instead of bit shift tusks. Blood thinks I know what bit shift is. Meow. Meow indeed. Right, let's see how many hours it's going to take me to solve this problem. Equal to 1, actual 0. One is huh? Is that a bit shift operator? I don't know them bit shifts, man. I don't do C++. I have a life and a friends in that. Wow. We got some slander going on in the chat. I may as well have to end it all at this point. Oh, to be fair, you didn't say love me the first time around, implying that your family do love, but not you. Kind of a little loophole there, buddy. Let's see the output, eh? There's no output? Bro, I need to give up streaming. I need to give up being a programmer. What the hell's going on? STD power. C++. We can't let the compiler do it all for us, man. That's the point of our brains. Base exponent. Base is 2, exponent is I. I also did some linear interpolation learning yesterday in my book. I got myself the maths notes there, so it's pretty nice. Just Google bit shift. Bit shift, what does that got to do with raising to a power? Check the loop. For int I is less than n is the max value, plus plus I. List, that is, dot in place back. Here we're returning the value of 2 to the power of I. That's irrelevant, this std out. Then we're returning the vector. I cannot possibly see what's going on here. What's wrong? And then, 4. Let's say 10. Okay, we've got 8 errors. This is actually a bit disgusting. I know the problem is I didn't do vector. Maybe it doesn't know what uint underscore 64t is. I is less than n is false, which means it does not iterate. Auto in the big twin. So you're saying I is less than n equals false. Lucas, that doesn't really make sense. So at the start of the loop, I is 0. And n is 10, for example. I is, in fact, less than 10. N is always going to be a number higher than 0. Equal to 1. If it's always positive, a root sigma will use U32. Does bro think this is Rust? Right. Here's the problem. In place back is the actual problem. Is defining stdint. Aha. It compiles. Oh, fuck off. What? It works. Dude, it literally works. No, it literally works. It literally works, bro. Look, 1, 2, 4. My solution was correct from the beginning. Who made me pregnant in Discord? God damn it. I'll make myself pregnant as well. Look, let's... No, I'm pretty sure the website's broken. Can't be. What? Look, so... The first value here is 1. That's the actual answer. And mine is also 1. So I don't really get how it's returning 0. It's the same code. N is 0. It should also do 1 for n is 0. Well, what is 2 to the power of 0? Is 1. But it does that. Check for assert samples. The first function call passes 0. Okay, but I is 0 by default. So it would be 2 to the power of 0. Look, let's look at my results, right? They're right here. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. That's the same there. 64, 1, 2, 8, 2, 2 5, 6, 5, 12. It is literally correct. I is less than 0. Wait, so you're telling me the difference between my code and the correct code is an equal sign? Oh. Off to a good start. Off to a good start. The correct code would be bit shifts. In fact, I will look at other solutions because I don't know who was it. It was one of the people on Coding Jesus' stream. His latest one said the best way to learn is after you finish a problem, look at other people's solutions. So we'll look at your one now. So bit shifts. Let's see. We'll find as many ways to solve this problem as you can. So it moves the binary digits of a number left or right by a set number of positions. Multiplies a number by powers of 2. Oh, so it's already default the answer to this question. Okay. So if we do left shift, so we need to do left shift. Left bit shift operator C++. If we can do this then this will be another solution, and it'll be a pretty cool solution, to be fair. That's really cool. So let's not do that. We don't need this anymore. The print statement. Let's try this with bit shifting. Bit shifting. So it would be list dot in place back, and it will be I. Is it that? Something like that. Hello Tunus. Hello MMM. Hello lovely people. Let's see the actual use case. Value number positions. Oh, so I don't even need a for loop. I could literally do this in one line of code apparently. Wait, no, I do need a for loop. I do. Because this would just give the max number, but I still need all the numbers in between. So it would be, I still do need in place back in the loop. So value and then 2 is there. Oh no, it's I. Don't need that. Where's my thing? Yeah, so that's literally it. It's correct. Let's test it out. Okay, it says I got a 0. Maybe it's the other way around. Just pushed a vended basic client. Oh, good. Thank you, Dr. Cheeseface. You should build on Linux without Raylib. Really? That's good. Did you use AI for it? You bit shifted 0 twice, which is 0. What do you mean twice? Or is it out of other round? Like the int is 1. Nah, int is 1. You want to bit shift 1? What? What? Two bit shift I. That is it. 1 bit shift I. 2. It's I bit shift 1, not 2. Ah. Okay, I don't really understand that, so I gotta dive a bit deeper. So we are bit shifting I by the exponent, like by the power of this one, of I. Something like that. Shifting by 2 positions. So this is 5, and we're gonna shift by 2 positions. Oh, so this is the actual number of positions we need, so that's why we do 1 each time. Because each iteration we're going up by 1, so we need to increase the number. But how will it know the previous number? Link of the site web. This one. It's already in the list, so we don't care about it. I wanna understand the bit shifting better. I don't get it. Although I think I do. Hold up. Wait, this music pissed me off. I need to find a different one. Oh, bruh. This song is from 2021. Minecraft YouTuber video. codewars.com/ Okay, I put the link in the chat. I mean, I already finished it, but bit shift, you are moving the one to the left or the right. No, I understand the bit shift by like concept logically. I don't get the syntax. The syntax is the bit that I'm working on right now. So shifting by 2 positions. So the number, that's the base number. So let 5 in this instance. Bit shifting. So we're pushing it to the left by shift count times. So if it's 1, that means we're pushing. How can I make this bigger? Yeah. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So for 5 is that is. So this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't need this one. Forget about it. Can I erase that? Just forget about that. Alright, so if we bit shift left. Hold up, that was meant to be a 1, you absolute melon. Absolute melon, mate. I'm just gonna restart that, bro. Okay, Windows Paint app definitely wins in this case. God, this is hard to work with. Alright. So 5 is 1, 0. 1, 0. So bit shift left once would equal would equal 0, 1, 0, 1, which is 2 plus 8 is 10, so it times it by 2. So bit shifting is essentially timesing by 2, right? That's all a bit shift is, times the number, the base number by 2. Alright, Dr. Cheese, I get it. Mr. B. Bro, you still learning C++ or have you already learned it but just building projects? I'm still learning it. And I'm pretty sure anyone who learns C++ is going to be learning it for at least 10 years. At least a decade. It's a long game, this one. It's not quick. Also, it's very possible PoW N2 does this in the background. Okay, it's good to know it under the hood anyway. So 0101 becomes 1010. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Can you use Visual Studio? Yes, I can, but I do not currently want to. I'm on Linux. I'm on Debian 13, so I actually cannot. No. The number in front is the number we move around. The number after the arrow is the times we move it. Yeah. Am I gonna upgrade my GPU now? No, I'm happy with our RTX 2070. It's very good. Does PaintNet work on Linux? I don't think so. I mean, it's fine, this one. Color paint with a K, but... Bro, you can use Ubuntu. This is how you work with bitmasks. Bitmasks, that's... What the hell is a bitmask? It's a pattern of binary bits used with bitwise operators and or XOR not to inspect, set, clear, or toggle specific flags. Bitmasks in... Let's see, I've always been curious about this. Let's see, how does this work? To check a specific value n, you bit shift n-1 to the left and then all the way to the right. What's up, Mako? How are you? Cassandra, you say all the way to the right, but how do you know what all the way to the right is? Oh, is it just n? Value n, you bit shift n-1 and then you do n plus n? Nah, what? You're about to hit the gym. Oh, what are you doing today? Today's leg day, isn't it? Bro, have a good day. Thank you. Thank you, Tonis. Thank you. Having 8 bools in 8 bits instead of 1 bool be 1 byte. Why don't we just do that in C++? I mean, in every language in the world. You skip the last 5 leg days. Don't do that. Don't do that, bro. I only skipped leg day this week. I had it on Wednesday because I was genuinely so lazy. I didn't want to do it. But I don't skip it other than that. You're just going to run for an hour? Okay. Sounds nice. Sounds chill. What speed? 10 miles an hour? 5 miles an hour? Gotta be a consistent pace, innit? You don't know... You never worked out before. Oh, this is your first time. If you want help making a plan, I can help you with your gym plan. I've been doing workouts for about 4 years now. So I know at least the basics at this point. If you want it, just send me a message on Discord and I'll respond to you after the stream. Right. Biggest thing is you haven't worked out before. You're probably gonna Google, alright. Yeah, form is important, you're gonna hurt yourself. A bit mask helps to manipulate the position of multiple values. There is a good example here. Bit flags are a method of storing multiple values which are not mutually exclusive. Define this one more time, please. 2 or more things cannot happen at the same time. Okay. In one variable, okay. You've probably seen them before. Each flag is a bit position which can be set on or off. You then have a bunch of bit masks defined, so it's a macro. Wait. Yeah. Each flag is a bit position which can be set on or off. You then have a bunch of bit masks defined for each bit position so you can easily manipulate it. Oh, okay. So this is like used for memory management, not memory management, but using as little memory as possible, because bits, you can't really get that normally without macros. DC Xalius, that is so facts. Only 6 flags bits are used, so class. Okay, right. Well, we found another way to do that. That's pretty cool. Let's attempt it. The music perfectly timed this fail. What's going on here? Oh, it seems like it looped back around. This might be a problem with the most significant bit or least significant bits. One of them. That's not good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It might be to do with this data type. Let's change that to a long, and it might actually work with the bit shifting. Nah, you can't convert. Okay. All right, you guys, whoever mentioned the bit shifting, it don't work, blood. Hey, bro, shout from Kenya. A big silent fan. Hello, Mr. Man from Kenya. Thank you for being part of the stream. How is life in Kenya? You liking it? Okay, next kata, let's go. Bit flags and std int are really useful for compressing data like enums. Oh, really? Okay. Well, the question for that is, with bit flags, can you tell the compiler to not do automatic padding? Because what I'm understanding from what you said, Jaden, is that it doesn't do the padding anymore automatically. Hard, we are trying to make it, bro. I'm a Python developer. Sick. Keep going, you will make it. Stinky Python. Oh, nah. Python's good, man. We don't slander Python. If you want, I give you full permission to slander Java. Always Java and JavaScript. But Python, nah. Python's chill, bro. Python's chill. No, bro, I don't get C++ either. I just make silly relive games. Ah, bro, me too, literally. Mako. Java is not good. Stop with the cap, bro. Stop the cap. Bro, you're the only one that likes Java. We're gonna make a poll. Ain't nobody use Java, bro. Get out of here with that lob. Guys, vote in the chat. We need to make sure that this guy Mako learns his lesson. This guy. What do you mean you like Java, blood? Nah, hell nah, bro. Hell nah. Hell nah, bro. What this guy on about, bro? It still pads it if it has to. It's just instead of each ball being a byte, it stores all the balls in a single byte. What? Oh, yeah, that makes sense. But that's only if you have 8 balls. I mean, if you got 9, it's gonna have to do 2 balls and then pad the rest of the space of the second byte. Yeah, exactly. Only use Java for Minecraft modding. That's literally the only purpose of Java. It's the only reason it exists. Alright, let's read this. Bob is working as a bus driver. However, he has become extremely popular amongst the city's residents. With so many passengers wanting to get aboard his bus, he sometimes has to face the problem of not enough space left on the bus. He wants you to write a simple program telling him if he will be able to fit all the passengers. Bro, literally an if statement. How is that hard at all? I was thinking, what if we create a crazy project combo? If you wanna make a project. If you got projects, Mr. Kenya man, if you come in the Discord, you'll have you come to program in general, or actually the Python section down here. Just click on this bit. There's no posts yet, because there aren't many people wanting to do Python projects, but I'm sure if you put it there, someone will definitely join you. I'm not really into Python right now. I'm just on C++ currently. So, okay. You have to write a function that accepts 3 parameters: cap, on, wait. Cap is the amount of people the bus can hold excluding the driver. On is the number of people that are on the bus now excluding the driver. Wait is the number of people waiting to get on. It's literally just an if statement, blood. Do you get me? If there's enough space, return 0. If there isn't, return the number of passengers he can't take. So if the number is above 1, if the number is above 0, that means there aren't enough passengers. There aren't enough spaces. Yeah, that's it. Oh damn, it's Bob driving a bus. Bob Ross, I am not trusting you to drive a damn bus. I wonder what weirdo messaged you with that icon. I read your message. Well, I don't have a PC for me, I only use What? You're programming Python on your phone? You must be a cracked dev, bro. I would never do that. I would never do that, man. You must have some discipline to program on the phone, man. That's crazy. Okay. So. Wait, people waiting. If on plus wait is more than cap, return cap minus on plus wait. What's that? Is that it? Is that it? I'm a dumbass. Wait, I forgot the thingy, my biggie. Kind of baller, innit? Is the Hoagland game gonna be sold and do we get paid? Bob, you gotta actually contribute before you get paid. But no, it's just a game for fun. Just a game for fun. How do you get money, bro, like to afford all these PCs? Well, I have a job. I've been working since I was 16 years old. So, and also my parents help me a lot, obviously. Because with the rates I get paid here, minimum wage is awful, awful, awful. You're gonna look in the way. We'll see about that, bro. We'll see about that. Tried to do Code Forces on my phone when you was bored on the bus. It was not enjoyable. Well, I bet. 100 on 68. So I got 10. So that means... Oh, if I just do abs, innit? Abs would definitely fix that problem. But it's not included. Let's do... Yeah. I think my formula is incorrect, but I fixed it with abs, so it should be chill. You've had a job since 13, bro. That's just child labor at that point, bro. I don't know what you're on about. In my country, in England, it's illegal to work below 16. It's illegal to do that. So that's why I only started at 16. I wanted to work at 15, but I applied at the job. He said you have to be 16 minimum. Okay, well, I did it. Is there another way? Let's see. Okay, so this guy's using the ternary operator. Yeah, that's cool. Like, I could have done that as well. Do some magic. Yeah. Dude, who's moaning on the mic, man? Bro, I can make you fully website for any amount of money, even if it's $5. Just to be able to get PCs. It's the only thing stopping, bro. Wow. I already have a website. I'm sorry. It's codegabe.com. But it's a shit website. I mean, if you can improve the website, I put zero effort into this. This website is entirely vibe coded because I do not care about front end. I'm a back end developer. So front end is not my care in this world. If you can improve this website, codegabe.com, and send it to me, I'll give you $5, sure. I don't mind that. Let's read some more examples. Right, this is crazy. Is cap on more than weight? Oh, cap minus on. I didn't think of that. Cap minus on is more. Yeah. That's a bit unreadable though. I wouldn't do that. Okay, it seems like this is just a bunch of if statements. I'm not going to learn anything from that. You're given two interior angles. Okay, it's getting a bit easy now. I'm going to switch to a 7 Caillou problem next. You're given two interior angles in degrees of a triangle. Write a function to return the third. Well, you just need math knowledge at this point. Isn't it 180 degrees in the triangle? Just do a plus b, 180 minus a plus b. It really can't be harder than that. Only positive integers. Well, no shit. You can't have a negative integer degree. So... yeah, I don't really get what the point of this kata was. It's kind of easy. The only way to solve this is you need to actually know maths, like the basics of it. Gabe only cares about backend. Yo, why are you making this weird, blood? Why are you making this weird? Why is blood making this weird? Hello, Schweib. Hello, Badmus. You told me last time to call you Badmus, so I'll call you Badmus from now on. Because apparently I butchered your first name. It is what it is. How are you, Badmus? How can I reach you, bro? If you join the link above my head, is it even there? Go on discord.gg/codegabe and just give me a DM. Just come here, just DM this guy here. Codegabe. Send me a message. Get talking, innit? Right. Lost number in number sequence. Let's try this one. We've got some array problems. An ordered sequence of numbers from 1 to n is given. One number might have deleted from it, then the remaining numbers were mixed. Yo, why on earth? Why would you do that, man? What kind of problem, what kind of algorithm deletes a number from an array and mixes it up? You're crazy, blood. Find a number that was deleted. Easy. You know, that's actually easy. It's easy only if they are all unique values. And maybe one or less. Okay, that's fine. The first array will be nothing. The first array. The starting sequence is, so we're going to get 2 arrays, it seems. That's fine. Mathematics is compulsory for programmer. Indeed it is. Just basic maths, basic trigonometry. You don't need anything advanced. You really don't need anything advanced. Unless you're a graphics programmer, which I am not. So I do not need to worry about that. Starting list, mixed list. List. Isn't that a linked list? Or it's just an array, a dynamic array. STD list versus STD vector. Easy way to make money is being a Discord kit. Oh, that's facts. That's facts right there. We've got like so many different Discord kittens in the Discord. It's kind of disgusting. Non-contiguous memory. Right. The memory overhead for the list itself is constant. Right, I'm kind of getting blinded, man. You're the best Discord kitten. You're a male, mate. Each element only requires a space for the... Right, I'm not going to read all that. My head hurts. Oh my god. Do I have a dark mode filter? I do. Oh, that's so much better. Can reallocate memory for the entire vector. Never has to, but you can. Just because you're insertions at the end are constant. They are cheap. Well, it is cheap because they're non-contiguous. Dude, I'm actually confused. Why on earth would you ever use std list? If you need an array of elements, you'll have to create a new one and then add to it. Since there's no underlying array, you need an array to give it to actually construct the std list. Allocating from the free slot. Okay, I'm not going to read that. You're a femboy. I'm not surprised, mate. I had to ban a femboy a few days ago because he was getting too femboy. He was like, it's too much. Okay, std_c++. Arrays, the moral equivalent of C's arrays. Static or management is U. So the list sucks, not because the implementation is bad, but because it's a linked list. I knew it. I said that literally 2 minutes ago. I said it's a linked list, right? I knew it, man. It's actually a doubly linked list. That's it. Okay. I knew it, man. Okay. So one number might have deleted from... Okay, so what I'm thinking is it's either I need to use a set or a tuple. Tuple. Prasant Gaming, hello. Array is like when you know the size of a vector is dynamic. Okay, so it's just like a normal array. Like making a manual array with a data type. Fixed size. Okay, so I think it's set, isn't it? Set. Self-balancing. No. Does not allow duplicates. That's kind of useless. There's no duplicates anyway. They are always sorted in ascending order. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, let's see. Are they always the same? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, we can just use a set and that will fix it. How much money do you cost? Hey, no buffer. Good to see you again, buddy. How am I doing? I'm doing good. I'm doing alright. Trying to figure out this problem. How are you? So they don't allow duplicates. Let's see. Hold up. They are always sorted in ascending order. So it says here that it is mixed. This instantly fixes that problem. The mixed array. So then we can literally find it by index at that point. Starting number, let's see. Starting num. First num is starting list at position 0, and we're going to use that for our reference when we iterate through it. Line 1. That was not me. The app gave it to me. Code Wars gave that to me. I promise that was not me. You know a cute way to do it? Guys, don't blame me. I didn't do usernames for this STD. Your code here, lol. My code goes wherever I want, buddy. So, for int I is first num. Wait. No. That's the index, mate. Okay. Right. I is less than starting list. std list length size. Here it is. It's just a member. It's a method. Dot size. Okay. Cool. It's just dot size. I was right. That's what's I. Let's do, what is it? The function should return the int 5. Oh, that's the example. Find the number that was deleted. Okay. So, if first num plus I does not equal was it? Starting set 2 at position I. I think having these two sets are completely useless. I only need one set. I'll just leave it for now though. First num plus I does not equal set 2 position I. Then we will return it. First num position I. Okay, I'll try this. It works in my head. You are overcooking. Think about what is needed to find a missing number. You want a hint? You can do this with 0 comparisons. That's cap. Use of undeclared identifier. You want me to spoil it? I will figure it out by myself, please and thank you. Do not give me the answer. Yoink. Is this music weird? Some psychedelic music. Set 1, set 2. Am I overcooking again? It's the same thing. Hey bro, can you hire me as a full web dev? I can't, bro. I don't need a web dev. I need C++ developers. If you learn C++, I'll hire you. So I'm shit at it myself. I can also develop AI. You can develop AI, yeah? On your phone? You can develop AI on your phone by yourself. I fully believe you, bro. There's no doubt about it. Mr. Kenya, I want to test you. What's the first? Can you tell me anything about discrete math? Because that is what one of the things you need for AI, machine learning. Hello, Ashul. Thank you for the $10 donation, bro. Really appreciate it. Yeah, I'm overcooking again, I know. Oh, I forgot the bloody template argument. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Does not provide a subscript. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, man. Oh, come on. Insert searching. Here is find. It returns an iterator to the element. Okay. Iterator. Thanks, bro. Yeah, we got to use auto for that. I mean, what? Who knows the data type for an iterator? That is so weird. Set. Okay. So it's literally that. Okay. I just need the errors to go away, please. Good. Subscript is the problem. So, dot find. Now, here it is. Starting list at position 0. Let's see if that helps, eh? God damn it. No member find. What? The find function is used to check whether an element exists. It returns an iterator to the element found, if found. S is s.find. I understand what the problem is now. I clearly don't. List does not provide. Oh, you too? Really? You too? std list find value. Let's see that. Whoops, you forgot to read the documentation. Dude, these guys, they just, man, what is this? These guys have no life. So they're, oh my days, this guy's getting obliterated, bro. 2 down votes. Man, I ain't posting shit on Stack Overflow. If there's people like this guy, literally bullying beginners, man. It's so cringe. It's so cringe. If you're one of those people who make fun of beginners learning, you're just the scum of the earth, mate. I mean, the amount of passive aggression in this statement here is enough to fuel a volcano. Man, I just really don't like when people are passive aggressive like that. It just doesn't make any sense. Wow. This guy, whoever wrote this, God bless you, my man. STD find. Okay. We will do that. So. That's really good though. That's not going to help me because I need the first element. I kind of forgot why I need the first element. Learn dev and prompt engineer. Prompt engineer, get out of here, bro. But also I do lag, although I mostly use AI, but I manually fix bugs because I used to code well my PC when my PC was. Hey Kenya, please don't promote yourself in the chat. You can't promote yourself on the chat. It's not good. The programming help community is literally the most stuck up arseholes on the internet. Fully agreed. Where can I connect with the Kenya guy? What's really funny is when they try to use their own internet lingo among outsiders and everyone instantly clocks them being asses. Yeah. Okay. Right. I'm going to restart. I'm going to have to find another way. Cassandra, can you give me a tip, please? Please, man. Sorry, man. Just wanted to make bro and get a simple job. Look, Kenya, Mr. Kenya, if you want, I do allow people to self-promote, but it has to be in this channel. You can't do it in the YouTube chat. It's against the rules. If you want to promote yourself, you can click on the link above my head and come here to the self-promotion channel. You see this guy's promoting his Discord. That's completely fine. Promoting the number, promoting everything. Here is where you promote yourself, but don't do it in the chat, please. Think about what the question actually entails. Very helpful, thank you. Also, how it's possible to do that with zero comparisons. Alright, let me think. An ordered sequence of numbers from 1 to n is given. One number might have deleted from it. One number might have deleted from it. Then the remaining numbers were mixed. So it's a might. Find the number that's deleted. So you're saying I could just do a simple return statement and then that's it. Do I even need sets? You've joined, but you have problem operating Discord. What's your problem? If no number was deleted, oh, you said no comparisons. I'm really not sure. No comparisons. By zero comparisons, do you mean I don't have to iterate through it, or literally I don't need to do an if statement? Wait. If the set doesn't allow duplicates, what? No. I was thinking about combining both of them and it will somehow eliminate the value that's duplicate. There's no duplicate value. What am I waffling on about? You've never used Discord before? That's okay. There's some YouTube guide on Discord. You can search it up quickly. But simply just click on this channel. That's all you got to do. Click that and then type in what you want to promote. You're very close. Can you think of a way to combine them? Yeah. I get what you're saying about the combining, but since there's no duplicate, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. The set would organize them, so then we'd automatically have two lists, and one of them wouldn't have the correct value. Think about what you are looking for from the list. Oh, I'm looking for a number. Looking for a number. Let's read the question again. An ordered sequence of numbers from 1 to n is given. Where is n? I don't think I have n. Oh, n is just imaginary, right? One number might have been deleted from it, then the remaining numbers were mixed. Find the number that was deleted. The only thing I can think of is just using set to order it again. I mean, what else could it be? If the starting sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, the mixed array is that, the function should return 5. Well, edge case scenario, I guess we could just do return 0 here in case my calculations do fail. So that would fix these test cases. And maybe 1 or less. So 0. Wait, it says from 1 to n, but n may be 1 or less. So if it is less, let's say 0, then it's from 1 to 0. Bake it. So I'm not being helpful, but I'm trying to state the answer. It's so good. You're doing your best. Thank you. Once you think of it, it's very simple. I think maybe doing this on paper might help. Let's see. I'll get my paper out. We'll see how this works. So, right, let's say original sequence this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mixed sequence. Wow, my handwriting's awful. There is no way I can show you guys this handwriting. Oh my god. Oh wow, that's crazy. Okay. You got 3, 2. 6, 7, 8. Then we remove number 5. Removed is 5. Okay. STD set orders the list. Oh, wait. If we do the length of the ordered mixed list minus... No, the length of starting list minus the length of ordered mixed list, that will give me the index. And I can... No, but you can't do indexes, man. You can't use indexes in this. That would only work if every single array starts from 1. And then you can be predictable with it. If the list had different numbers, your original line of thought was good. But since the second list is a copy of the list, think of what that allows us to do. 6, 7. Shut up. So close yet so far. Shut up, bro. No, that sounds correct. It's just that you can't index a damn list. The thing is, if they would give me a vector, I would have finished the problem by now. I would have finished it. You know what I mean? Is it good? Numbers from 1 to n. Yo, that's loud. You guys are not telling me I'm shouting in the mic. In fact, can I even hear the music? In fact, can I even hear the music? In fact, can I even hear the music? I can. Good. Give me the link, I want to complete it in C. You can just search up this, by the way. The name of the kata. The remaining numbers were mixed. Find the number that was deleted. STD orders the list. I don't know how you're gonna manage to do it in C when C's don't even have sets. Learning with artificial intelligence tools is not effective learning. By the way, Mr. Kenya, original figured out, bruh. And Mr. Kenya, if you use AI, no one's gonna hire you. So just put out there, and I will not hire you to do anything. Even if I did need a web dev role, because you've just proven to me that you're gonna use AI to make the project. Eight minus 7. No, that wouldn't work. No, fuck's sake. That wouldn't work. I'm only thinking I gotta iterate through the list and just find which numbers don't match up, man. We're just trying to use ChatGPT. Yeah, we don't do that around here, man. This is actually hard. And it's only 7 Caillou problem. Right, here's what I got written down. No one's gonna be able to understand my handwriting, so don't even bother. But okay. Hello, Finley. You should try leak code. Bro, if I'm struggling on 7 Caillou Kata, I'm definitely not going to do leak code. How can you do that without comparing in the hard part? Is the hard part. Bro, let me do it the normal way first. I'll do that way after. Many people are moving fast. Look out to not be left out. Dude, I've based my entire fan base. Like, all of my subscribers agree with it, nearly all of them. I mean, my live streams are based on the fact that I don't use AI. And people like that. So there's a lot of people that have the same mindset as me. It's nothing unusual. I think you should be able to do this without a single int of internal storage. That's cap. So you're saying it's just a return statement? Hey, Cassandra. We'll see. Okay. Const iterator. Hey, I'm not doing that, bro. I'm not doing that, man. With a single int, not... Oh, so you can do it with a single int. Okay. And the int is the for loop iterator, right? mylist.c begin. C end. What's that? Const iterator. Okay. I'll do that if there's no other way. Loop through an array. You actually can't. So this is literally the only way to iterate through a std list. Through a doubly linked list, in fact. So also, in fact, I'm going to yoink that. That's what will happen, in fact, mate. Man. Debian, oh, you silly Debian. Yo, the time complexity is atrocious. Yo. What is this? O log of n squared. Is it? That's awful, blood. Right, let's see if this even works. We'll do non-mixed set. Set. Oh, it's just insert, isn't it? So we'll do. I'll just write sorted, innit? Yeah. So sorted set. Insert. We'll do I. Although I highly doubt that I is an integer. This is gonna fail because of that. One int for storing, one fit. Oh, Cassandra, you're wrong, blood. You're wrong. Use AI to code fast while learning by making project and learning how they work and fixing manually. Nah, bro, that's not how it works. No viable constructor. Ah, I did the same thing again, man. I forgot the template. The template type. There it is. Let's do this one more time. It's gonna give me another error though. That's fine. Error, use of undeclared. Please work. Please work. Fucking kill yourself. So it's just pushback. Huh? Oh no, it's a set. It's a set. Wait. Set. Set. Whoa, what was this going on about fighting? What was this? I turn my head for 1 second and you guys are fighting each other. You're gonna fight Mage. You wonder if you could 1v1 Gabe, what, in real life? If you send a picture of yourself, Mako, we can decide who will win from that. Mako, I can code manually fully, but I prefer AI for the base project improvement. Dude! Get out of here, dude. Dude, Kenya. Please, stop. Stop with the AI, please. We don't agree with it, man. We don't agree with it. You won't send a pic, but I'm a 5'4" woman. Why? Well, DC X Alias is also I think you're like 5'6", right, Cassandra? You're similar to that, I think, from the picture I saw. No, so why are you guys talking about fighting? You're like 5'10", goddamn. That's a good height. No, but still. Why are you guys talking about fighting? No, let me tell you, man. I've been doing kickboxing for a few years. Every single time I get partnered up with a girl, it's like my life finishes. You don't get how stressful it is for me. There's nothing wrong with girls fighting. The problem is when they put them against me. Because, you know what I mean? I have PTSD one time. It was in 2022. I was sparring this girl. She was like a bit smaller than me, obviously. And then I did a jab. I hit her chest by accident. I never forgot the moment. And ever since then, I've been scared to fight them because I don't know how to not hit it, right? I'm trying to hit the face. I'm trying to hit your face, right? If you move by accident, or if I'm actually trying to hit your stomach, right? Let's see. I'm doing a jab to your stomach. And then you move. If you dodge it by accident, man, I hit your chest. Right? You see how unfortunate that is? I don't like it. I'm extremely stressed when I fight against them. And then eventually I let my guard down. They beat me up. I just suck. I couldn't do that. But it's allergic to women. You get nervous in front of a girl, it's scared not everyone can be Sigma like Bob. You would intentionally lose to a girl? Bro, what kind of a beta male is that? From any women in fighting I've talked to about this, they won't give a shit. No. I'm not talking about that. Sorry, I didn't give a bit of context. My club for kickboxing is a lot of... Because I'm in a poor area in England. There's a lot of people with disabilities, with problems at home, right? They don't genuinely want to learn. They don't actually want to be in the kickboxing class and learn kickboxing like I did and the other people there. They went there because they just didn't want to be home, or they were forced to go kickboxing. They didn't want to be, right? So those are the type of people. They didn't want to fight, right? Let me show you their stance. This stance will show you that their fighting was just not good. Right, look. Right. Well, that's the kind of stance they were doing, man. That's the kind of stance they were doing. Right? Like this. Or in fact, they had no... Right, I'm blowing on myself. In fact, they had no stance, right? They had their arms in the air. You could easily just punch them in the face. So those type of people, they hit hard, but when you hit them back, they go crying. They go crying. What can I say? And every time I spar with a girl, I always try relax the environment beforehand. I have a nice conversation with them beforehand to see what kind of temperature they are. If they are a crazy one, I won't spar them. I literally just won't. What's going on? Was she bad? No. No. So my experience in kickboxing sparring goes is completely situational. It's completely because I'm in a poor area in England. I'm sure if I would be in a more well-established kickboxing area in England, obviously the girls would be better there, and everyone in general, the mindset would be a more healthy mindset towards the sport, and there wouldn't be any problems there. It would be completely fine. I'd be completely happy to spar a girl at that point. I mean, if a hot dude were to spar me, I would be happy too, I guess. There's a lot of hot dudes in my class. Whoa, wait, did I just say that, bro? Okay, anyways. Right, can we get back to programming, please? Is everyone here gay? What? You guess you're gay? How is that gay? A girl can't be gay. They can be lesbian. There's a big difference. Gay means you like dick. Lesbian means you like the birth environment. Guys, what an amazing programming screen. Gabe, why is there a girl here? You know there's more than one, mate. You know Dixalis is a woman. Did you not know that? You've been on a call with us, I think, when we were in voice chat. You wanna spar a hot femboy? Dude, I've got hundreds of femboys for you to spar. Join the Rasclat Discord, mate. Look. Everyone here, femboy. Everyone here. Femboy. You've got so many people, mate. Guys, I figured it out. I figured out the problem. Const int array size. Const int mix array size array. You see, my code is so beautiful. Wow. Right. Array size is array length mix size. Array size. Huh? Array size is array at position mix size. Dude, what kind of monkey solution is this? Bob wants to get dominated, it's confirmed. Go Power, we're better at programming. Why am I collecting people? Dude, I don't know. I have like every femboy under the sun in my Discord server. I don't know what's going on. Also, Gabe, see my solution I sent on Discord. You can't decode what's happening, so I like you and help. It's not that hard. It's really not. It couldn't possibly be that hard. Const int array. I don't know why the hell you're making it const. You can't change it. Size t array size. But you've got two different arrays. Which array is this referring to? Const int mix array. Also, I love how you have such low hopes for me. You think I can't. We'll see about that, mate. We'll see about that. In WoW comp. Girls are terrible link. Yo, let's not be saying that, please, Mr. Kenya. Sexism is against the rules. You're gonna get banned if you say that. Guys, wait. Hold up. Marco, it's the same with literally anything in the world. Some people are good, some people are bad. It doesn't matter race or gender. In 2026, everyone's terrible at coding. Now that is some good inclusivity that I do support. Right. Array size is array at position mix size. Okay. Oh, I forgot they're supplying the parameters, aren't they? That's fine. So we've got two arrays there. Array size. We've got four arguments, that doesn't work. While mix size minus minus. So this is post decrement operator. While so we're going to be grabbing the value from the variable first and then minusing it after. Yes, yeah. That should be it. So array size plus equals, that's the integer, yeah. Plus equals array at position mix size. So you're adding array plus mix size. Wait. Oh, wait. Wait, that makes sense. If you add all of them up, all of the numbers up from the first array, add all the numbers up from the second array, and then you minus them, that's the number that you get. Yo, that is so simple. Now, what did I just say? I completely forgot what I just said. I've actually got memory loss. Original being too humble. Okay, we've got some guy rapping. Crazy. Bro, I'm a software engineer and I run a software company called Zensoft Kenya. No, Original didn't spoil it. He revealed the truth to me. Listen, mate. The guy from Kenya. So you're telling me you have a government-backed company in Kenya, yet you cannot afford a computer. Something's not adding up, mate. Something's not adding up. I like how you didn't want me to spoil it, but you let Original spoil. He wasn't really spoiling it. It's like Original, he's my moderator, right? I have to read his messages in case someone, you know, blows up my Discord server. So his messages are important by default. And then accidentally, I read his solution. Accidentally. I mean, what can I do about that? What can I do about that? Sally forgave 99% of what I sent him is worthless. Nah, you send good stuff, Original. You send good stuff. Okay. Hold up. Okay. So, in total size is length of sign is, but we need to iterate it. So for auto const auto boom iterator in starting list Dude, this still doesn't work, man, because you can't index in the bloody list. Hold up. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Here it is. Yeah. Here it is. Right. I'm going to yoink this again. Oh, you need to dereference it. I didn't do that. Wait, why is the camera destroyed, man? Okay. We're all opposite, that is facts. Starlist.c begin. So total starting list plus equals dereference I, and do the same. Return total starting list minus total mixed list. This has to work. It won't work because I didn't use the correct method. Wait, what? It worked. It worked. No way. Bro, I'm actually gonna cry. I did it. Wow, I did it. And I didn't even need a set. Didn't even need a set. So this is the final code. We have 2 ints. We have 2 iterator objects in the for loops. Fuck me, my hair's getting long, it's pissing me off. Why not use Leak Code Wars this site? Code Wars is a well, Leak Code is for jobs, right? I don't need a job. I've already got a job. I don't need to practice with that. And it's DSA and I suck at DSA. Code Wars is like actual fun problems. It's real life fun stuff. So I just prefer Code Wars. Leak Code is way too hard for me. Gabe said Leak Code is too hard for him, so he's starting on other sites. Facts. I'm not trying to validate myself, but I can reap accounts, get people banned and all that stuff with ease. Wanna try me, little bro? Mr. Kenya, was that a threat? If you're threatened, that's not good. I mean, you're just not helping your people. You know, Original can ban you like this, mate. He can give you a little smite. Man. Kenya, you're not doing your country a favor, mate. You're already in a third world country and you're doing this stuff in the chat. Giving out threats. It's not good. Seriously, ask yourself. Do you think you're helping out your country by presenting yourself like this? It's literally funny how natural selection works. No, you Gabe, someone's trying me. No one is trying you. No one is trying you, alright? We're all good. We're all friendly here, mate. Look, if you threat someone again, you're getting banned, mate. What city are you from? What city from Romania are you from? We're going to Bucharest for Erasmus. What's that? I don't know what that is, mate. If he breaks the rules, he got his warning. If he breaks the rules again, he's gonna get banned. European Union funding program. No, I'm not sure what that is, man. I need to get some water though. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm from a city called this. This is my city. Hey brother, how are you? Gurkir XD. Okay, I want to read some other people's solutions. Read yours. What's your name? You study for 1 semester in different... Ah, that's sick. That's so cool. Where are you originally from then? Oh, on Discord. Yeah. Find deleted. Let's see. If a.length is b.length, return 0. Oh. Wait. No, you said there's no comparisons, you liar. You liar. Let me scroll up. You can do that without comparing. Is that... You're absolutely lying, mate. You said without comparing. It's right there. It's facts. My man. My man. Your solution was the beautifulest. it was not the beautifulest, but it was definitely understandable, and it helped me understand it very well. You're from Greece? Okay, nice. Very beautiful country. My mom's there actually right now, on holiday. Well, you don't need it, it's just an optimization. Gabe, think about what happens if you remove it. XD, well, you added one thing that made the comp required. So, int A, int B, but you guys are doing just actual arrays. No, this isn't fair. This isn't fair. You both cheated. Original and Cassandra, you both cheated. Because you have to use std list. I was under the constraint of an std list. Therefore, you must be as well. Because if I used an actual normal C style array, I would have done it as well much easier. But we don't have the subscript operator with std list. We don't have lists like this in C#. If C was typed out as an array, yeah, but this is a C++ question, you absolute melon. What am I learning C++ for? I'm learning it as a hobby, and I'm starting my university degree, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, I'm gonna get some water because I've completely run out. You don't think the solution should change no matter if it's realist? Listen, you cannot do a subscript operator on an std list. You can do it on a normal C style array. That's the difference that makes it very significant. Right, I'm gonna get my water. I'll be back in a minute. Where do I put a BRB statement? Okay, be back in a sec.
Ask you about love, but they quote me a sonnet. You've never looked at a woman and been totally vulnerable. Oh my God, put an angel on earth just for you. Could rescue you from the depths of hell, and you wouldn't know what it's like to be her angel.
Yo, hoes. Yo, ho, ho. Who's picking on who? What you're saying? Mr. Kenya's picking on Mako. Did you see I made it to 0 comps? You made it to 0 comps. That's 19. Wait, what? Where did you get .sum from? Yeah, .sum is not a method. Blood, you just made up a method. What degree am I going to? I'm gonna do a bachelor's of software engineering this September. I'm gonna start it. Do I have a girlfriend? I swear you asked me that question a few streams ago. I think it was exactly you as well. I know someone a few streams ago asked me that question. Anyway, it's the same answer. I was in a relationship for a year and a bit, but we broke up. So, not anymore. Your solution has a lot of comparisons, does it? I don't think it does. Dude, you've got like no comparisons. A while loop is a while loop is not a comparison. That is not fair, man. C sharp. Wait, this is C sharp. I'm not. Bro, why are you scamming me, man? You're giving me C sharp code. Absolute scammer. Okay, let's read someone else's solution. Starting number accumulates. Okay. Yes, because it's a you can use an iterator on that. Okay. And list does provide an iterator. Yeah. So std accumulate literally did what I did in a for loop, which is okay. I just didn't know what that was. Let's find out. std accumulate. So let's see. Numeric. The folds or sums values across a range. It takes a start iterator and an iterator, an initial value, and optional custom value operation. So it seems like if you have a class that contains the start and end iterator, no matter what it is, you'll be able to use std accumulate. That's pretty cool. I will definitely use that in the future. Let's see another one. Okay, that's too long. Return accumulate. That's a pretty good one-liner, to be fair. He's got a vector. Why has he got that? I don't think he needed to put the vector there, because he's got no vectors anywhere. Oh, that was the bar. Do you see that? Anyway. Right, I'm going to do something different now. This is actually what I'm going to do. Linear interpolation. I'm going to completely switch up the stream now. I would normally end the stream by now, but I want to stick around for a bit. I'm feeling it today. Even if there's like 2 viewers, it's fine. So. If you were here at the start of the stream, you would have heard me say that I did a bit of learning yesterday by myself on the mathematics of interpolation, just the basics. So I want to do a bit of practice right now. Just to remind myself how it works.
And I find no sense in following others' roads to destinations where nobody knows.
Lerp time. More like LARP time. Oh. Gay passing. I didn't see that. Yeah, I've got like 300 femboys, bro. I think that equals up to a girlfriend in some universe. Let me find some music before I continue. I actually can't find music. Okay, we're back to it now. A while loop is very much a comparison. You trying to scrap, blood? Or scrap you outside Lidl, mate? You're doing a bachelor's in technology. But what technology? That's kind of vague, brother. You're still, Cassandra, you're still fighting that guy. You haven't had enough. You said hi. Red MV, hello. I did not. Your message does not come up. Ain't nothing up. Bro, do you code anytime or only when you're live? I code all the time, bro. I code in the morning by myself without streaming. I code in the afternoon, in the evening. I really want him to up, but I think he won't. What, did he leave? DX, wanna try my sharp boy skill. What does that mean? What the hell? What is that, man? Sharp boy skill. Bro, what? Sharp boy. What is this guy on about? He's making up words. Mr. Kenya, if you're still there, please elaborate. Okay. So. Okay. In my rectangle thing here. Yo. We got some depressive music coming up. Is it up? Where's the... I didn't include the library. I've got an error. Why have I got an error? Did I miss a semicolon? I really cannot figure out what the problem is. There's an error. Redefinition of vector 2. Do you want me to smash your head in, mate? I know. I think I think it needs to be raylib first and then raymath after. Yeah, that fixed it. Yeah, that's so weird. You have to import them in a specific order, otherwise it messes up the entire program. That's sick. That is so beautiful. I love the way it's so smooth. It really tickles my stimulation, sensatory autism type shit, you know what I mean? That's just so beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see, it's like 60 FPS. The stream's at 60, but this is at 140. It's so beautiful. I could really stare at this all day, but that's kind of blinding me. I think I'm blind from that already. Let's make this somewhere else. Orange. I haven't used the color orange in like a billion years. I kind of forgot how orange even looks like. Oh, that looks worse. I don't think they contrast well. But anyway, that's it. That's so nice. Look, that's so beautiful, man. I'm so obsessed with this. It's beautiful. Yo, I could stare at this all day. Why is your Google ahead? What's the man? Hello, Max. How are you, Max? Max coming in with the flame instantly. You love lerp. See what I sent you on Discord? Right, buddy. What is this kid on about? Kenya, what the hell? What is this guy on about? This guy's laughing so hard, it's actually funny. Who's this kid? You see if statements. So while okay, I guess so, but yeah. I mean, the computer is checking every second. Is I less than 5? But we're not doing that, so we don't really count that, I guess. Yeah. That does make sense, to be fair, man. Hello, I'm from Brazil, Cahoro, Belga. Hello, Brazilian mate. I'm not a man. Which is why 2 for loops is worse than 1 for summing both the arrays up. Yeah. This could be... Oh, I could make a sort of cat and mouse game. Where like I could make a cat. I might just do that now. I'll make the mouse cursor the cat. The cat follows... Oh no, I'll make the square the cat. And it's got to follow the mouse pointer. That's actually pretty cool. And you got to try dodge obstacles. Wow, bro, I actually just thought of a game on the spot. That's sick. I'm going to do that. I'm actually going to do that. I'm gonna do that right now. Wow, that took a long time. PNG transparent cat. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. This would be perfect if it was actually transparent, but it's not. It's a scam, you scammer, mate. I need a cat like this. I'm actually not a cat person. I'm a dog person because dogs are better. Your dog's not gonna jump over the fence, mate, and never see you again. Your cat will though. Look how annoying these cats look, man. Doesn't it just make you wanna punch them in the face, man? This is why dogs are the most beautiful creature on earth. Very loyal, very... It's nice. Nice. Your answer. Too bad, bro. Well, obviously, Bob, you're a cat person because you're a femboy. I haven't met one femboy who isn't a cat person. Okay, let's get this one. You think it's cute? Okay, cool, man. I want to do something else to it that does not look like cute cat. Mouse. This is perfect. No, I know it. Naked mole rats. I love me some naked mole rats. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, this is disgusting, man. Oh my days, this is disgusting. Oh my god. Yo, we got a pedo naked mole rat. Oh my. I think this would be good for the game. But it doesn't really look like a naked mole. Your Linux can't use like FFmpeg. That's an audio software, right? Von Neumann architecture. Shut the hell up, bro. For handling video and audio. Okay, so it's multimedia. I'm not really sure what you're on about. What would I use FFmpeg for? Right, listen. Yeah, type shit, bro. Ah. Oh, damn. I will FFmpeg you. Oh, bars, bro, bars. It's been a month and I didn't understand what bro was trying to make, but today I saw bro made something. Now I can sleep in peace. Lovely. It's been a month. What are you saying? I did nothing for a month. What's going on? I will do something to you if you do something to... This guy wants to peg me, bro. Well, you can try it. I'm not sure it's going to end well for you. A lot of file converters use it under the hood. Yeah, I don't think I need it right now. Just info cannot get me anything from you. What's your IG? Bro, this guy's down bad. This guy's down bad. Load image. What is everything? Image. Image. Texture 2D, I think. Neon Void, I don't forget you. I always recognize your name, bro. But you say you always forget me. You always forget me. You're saying that like we're long lost brothers, and we haven't seen each other for like a month, a year. We've lived our entire childhoods together. How could you forget me? It's the kind of stuff that's going on here. Dead died. Okay. Hold up, let me cook. We have got some magic numbers, which is not good. Actually, it's fine. It's just rectangle. Mouse rect is... yeah. Mouse rect. Oh, that's a lot of errors, please. Wait. Mouse pause. No, that's it. Mouse pause. Oh no. That's what I meant to do. Cursor pause. Okay. And I'll make this a bit faster. Draw a rectangle. Okay, we've got errors. What's going on? Eh? Just a regular nerd. Original, are you there? Still. Original, my friend, are you here? Original's busy. Original, I want you to smite our friend over here from Kenya. Yeah, do it. You guys are still optimizing that. No, I just want him gone. No. Man, do it. Nah, do it. I just don't want to see that negativity in my chat. I'm trying to have a positive stream, so. When is done the picture? Okay. Tell me, what are you guys optimizing? You already did the one-liner for that solution. What could you possibly optimize now? Was not declared. Account created in 2007. Yeah, DC Xalius's account is older than me, in fact. I was born in 2008. How does it feel? How does it feel? That is pretty young, to be fair. Hello, Shuaib. Still got 2 errors. Rect 1.pause. Oh. Right. I apparently didn't even draw the thing I wanted to draw. Draw a rectangle. That's not what I wanted, is it, mate? Mouse. Right, it's not working. Yeah, I'll check it on Discord in a sec. You've seen Reddit go from a forum where the admins run jailbait forums to the massive social medias today. Well, at least you're very experienced and knowledgeable. This isn't really interpolation, mate. This isn't really interpolation. Mouse pause. Cat mouse game. I did it completely wrong. Oh wait. That is the mouse. What the hell is this? While mix underscore s is minus minus. Bro, you guys are actual nerds. Find a slightly better solution using some notes from math. So, array size, you're calculating the array size with itself. Itself plus 1 divided by 2. Is that floor division as well? Because this is size t. Mix array, position mix array, mix size. To get counting function with input n, there would be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n. We could do this. If 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n, then 2 times 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n, we'll be able to match every element up, so we could just get n plus 1, n minus 1 plus 2, n minus 2 plus 3. What? Which can be simplified to n times n plus 1, and then we divide by 2. God, this is making me sleepy. Which then we can divide by 2 to get to the start again. It could also be typed as, to make it easy, I'll just, you're trying to make my brain explode, man. You're really trying to make my it's 9 p.m. and you're bringing some top level heavy maths, man. But yeah, good job. It seems very smart, man. Declare int would be wasting 32 bits. Oh, crazy, bro. Oh no, 32 bits. What would I do if... Yeah, good job. Impressive. It's really funny to me that me and Original hit off so well, considering I do C# and he does proper C. Could fit gays in 32 bits. Oh, you could as well. Bob, you're a bit obsessed with homosexuals. Is that maybe projecting? Are you maybe projecting, my friend? Hello, Silent Virus. Yo, what's good? What you doing? Bakersley, man. I'm trying to use linear interpolation to make a cat and mouse game. Currently, my linear interpolation is not working. Linear interpolation, it's the smooth movement between one position to another. If we didn't have linear interpolation, then a lot of the digital world would look much worse. So yeah, so currently this is not interpolation, it's messed up. It's not supposed to be following the mouse like that. Bob would never project. No, Bob is too good. Bob is too humble. Alright. We got 34 people saying hell nah to Java. I'm officially blessed in saying Java will be deleted from the face of this earth one day. Please. I mean, isn't Java just fake C#? Or is it the other way around? C# is fake Java. Basically the same thing, innit? Bro, change the background color. Yeah. What would you suggest? I was gonna change it. It's really bad. Black. I mean, I could actually just use an image of a kitchen. Late stream, yeah. Yeah, why not, you know? Why not? I think I know the problem is. Mouse rect, so is mouse pos.x, mouse pos.y. Good. Width and height. Cat pos.x, cat pos.y. So. Mouse texture. Mouse texture dot. Nah, that's the problem. That's it. The actual texture itself has its own height and width properties. I give you back the time and date, okay. Oh, this uses OpenGL. I didn't know that. 6.7. Okay. Damn, I just made a game today just related to a balloon flying into the air, dodging bullets and spiky bombs, but I'll have to add a shop tomorrow and make new atmosphere. To repeat the same background. That's cool, man. That's pretty cool. Nice. Man, this music's making me want to commit suicide. Nah, they disabled backplay. How do you save your progress? You guys gotta tell me if the music's horrible. I can't read your minds. How do you save progress? Well, that saving progress is simple. It's really simple. It's logically, you get all of the variables that you need. You save it in an external file, in an external TXT file, or not TXT, JSON. Yeah, make a JSON file, and then read it back the next time you open the app. Mouse texture. I was thinking about that, but anyone can just edit. Yeah, but it depends what's your goal for the game. If you're just making a fun game, it doesn't matter if anyone edits it. If you're making a commercial game, obviously don't do that. But if you're making a single player game, I don't think it matters. Because people are going to find a way to crack your game regardless. It doesn't matter if you give them a JSON file or not. Your game will be hacked sooner or later. So there's no point delaying the progress. Hello, King. Your game will be hacked because no play. Great, you're so rude. You're so rude. Crazy. Don't be rude to the viewers, man. I can promise you day one I could probably crack open your game with memory readers if you aren't doing comp multiplayer. Yeah, I agree. Don't worry about people hacking your game. If you're just making a fun game, people are gonna play it for fun. If they want to hack it, let them. Doesn't matter at all. Just for fun. Perfect then. You just switched from Fedora to new Ubuntu. I'm hoping your game won't be playful Ubuntu. Why did you switch from Fedora? Fedora's goated, man. Draw mouse. Mouse pause.x. To be fair, I don't ever use the mouse rectangle. I really don't think I need it. Your teacher uses Arch. Yo, you gasped in the back of the class. Do an all-night stream if you're straight. Right, guys, end of the stream. Thank you for coming. See you later. When you had the Linux Mint, the battery didn't last long. Really? Linux Mint is supposed to be optimized. In fact, let me see my sub count. So you have a chance. Bro, shut the hell up, bro. Hold up. I think performance-wise, this was the worst stream I've ever done. But it's all good. Not the worst, but one of the worst. Alright. I'm gonna have to figure out this linear, what's it called again? Linear interpolation in my own time to make the mouse move properly. Nah, okay. How did you learn Top Code 3? Excuse me? Wait, what? Where's this guy talking about Dipper? Alright. Show us the You're gonna be disappointed if I show you the revenue. By the way, I've tried using enum and it's much more simple than what I used to do with balls. I've always wondered what type def is. Yeah, enums are really useful. You should use them more, definitely. You've always wondered what type def is. It's just an alias, man. Ain't no way. He's actually here. Right, I probably shouldn't leak the DMs, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. That's gonna be the end now. Just to prove Bob Ross wrong. If you didn't leak DMs, well, I think I did leak everyone's DMs. To be fair, I mean, I leaked yours, originals. Would they really be games? Yeah, I mean, I do leak every single stream. To be fair. Am I Jewish? My friend, I'm not Jewish. I'm not Jewish. Yo, Original's getting banned. Don't leak the spicy pics. Don't worry, mate. Your spicy pics are safe with me. They're going in my personal folder for use later. Nah, bro, I'm Romanian. I'm Romanian, my friend. What was that? You're from Morocco? Bro, I said I'm from Romania. I'm from Eastern Europe, my friend. Where did you get Morocco? Alright, guys, thank you all for watching. Come back for another dead stream tomorrow at 6 p.m. Join the Discord if you haven't already. If you haven't, I will find you, etc. Does that mean you still things? Facts, bro, facts. And yeah, see you guys later. Sneeze you guys later. Thanks for the stream. You're welcome. Thank you for coming, Cassandra. Noapte bună. Noapte bună. Good night kiss? Absolutely not, brother. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Sorry for the error in chat. It's okay. I mean, I have to handle it irregardless. It's not your fault. I mean, if there's someone bad, I gotta handle him instantly. That's why. You guys were both begging to not ban him, but I still gotta maintain the rules even when no one else will. It's alright. Yeah, give me this. It's above my head, my friend. The disc is literally above my head. It's right there. Join that one. Bros, okay. How am I Muslim? How am I Muslim? How am I? Look, bro, don't stress me out before bedtime. Bedtime is a sacred moment for people. That's what. All right. You guys are rage baiting me right now. You're rage baiting my.